How to restore a stretched canvas. Remove dents, fix dimples, and tighten sagging. Accidents, mishandling, and improper storage may cause a stretched canvas to develop a dent, dimple, or slight sag. In most cases, these imperfections can be safely restored at home. Place the canvas face down on a clean, flat, padded surface. A folded bath towel works well to cushion the artwork and protect the printed surface throughout the repair. Using a spray bottle set to a fine mist, lightly dampen the back of the canvas directly behind the affected area. Avoid oversaturating the fabric. A light, even mist is all that is required. Allow a moment to let the mist soak the fibers. Using clean fingertips, gently work the moisture into the canvas while lightly massaging the damaged area. A spoon can also be used to gently smooth out any sharper imperfections. Set a hairdryer to a low or medium heat. Hold it approximately 6 to 8 inches from the back of the canvas. Move it continuously over the dampened area. Never concentrate heat in one location for too long, as excessive heat may damage the canvas fibers and printed artwork. Avoid applying any heat directly to the printed surface. As the canvas warms and begins to dry, gently smooth the back of the canvas with your hand or a soft, lint-free cloth. This helps the fibers return to their original tension as they dry. Once the canvas is completely dry, leave it lying flat until it has cooled to room temperature. This allows the material to regain its tension. If any slight imperfection remains, repeat the process as needed until the canvas has returned to its desired appearance. For the best results, always use minimal moisture and gentle heat. Patience and gradual adjustments will produce the safest and most effective restoration while preserving the quality and longevity of your artwork.